Welcome everyone, and welcome to my channel, The Black Carpenter's Guide. I'm extremely excited today to be bringing you this channel and why it was created. The main reason why it was created is to expand opportunities for people of color in the African American community and minorities as a whole. So if that's what you're looking for, you are definitely at the right place. Uh, but when you start checking out my channel, my homepage, what you're going to find is a playlist of the most popular uploaded videos. And these weren't my choices. These were made by my subscribers. Things that people found of benefit, things that they wanted to learn more about. These are the popular uploads that people are searching for. So I suggest you check them out and put your input as well so I can create more of that type of content. Second, I am extremely proud of the channels that I've created. They're a group of channels of community resources for people of color. These organizations are going to provide you everything from training to job opportunities, to housing opportunities. Uh, I'm extremely proud. I'm extremely proud of these resources. Suggest you dig in and take full advantage because we're not doing this by ourselves. There's a lot of organizations out there that want to help us excel, and why not let them organizations help us do just that? Another thing on my homepage you'll find is the discussion section. This section is for people to put their input. If there's a video that you want done that I'm not doing, please put that on there so I can get that video out. And once again, this is not my channel, it's your channel. So I want this to be a resource, a valuable resource for you so you can excel in the field of construction. And last, you'll find on my channel more about my channel and why it was created. Go ahead and check that out. And also more about me and my experience in the field of construction. Once again, my name's Desmond. I'm fired up. I'm happy. I'm so glad that you decided to check my channel out. And I'm looking forward to you being the subscriber and us growing together in this construction field. Thank you.